Pneumatic control is adopted to control the disengagement gate of the roller. The servo feeding device can automatically disengage and operate the roller and feeding roller. High-quality double-head centrifugal casting rollers are dynamically balanced, running smoothly, and have a long service life. Scraper cleaning is easy to adjust and reduces power consumption. Cast iron base for shock absorption and noise reduction. The side frame is welded with high-quality steel plates. The whole machine is a fully enclosed structure. Safe and beautiful, and the surface treatment adopts electrostatic spraying technology.